How to use Wix for beginners. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own website using Wix's website program. And I will be telling you all the basic information that you need to create your very own website using Wix. So, without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video by clicking on Get Started. Now when we click on Get Started, the web page will look something like this. Now over here, all you have to do is enter in your correct credentials such as your email, your password, and then just simply click on sign up. Or if you don't want to enter in all that information, you can just simply click on continue with Facebook or continue with Google. So just enter in your email or click on any of these two options and we will be moving on with the next part of this video. So once you've entered in all your correct credentials, the website will look something like this. And as we can see, it is telling us to answer a few questions to make the experience a lot better. You can answer these questions if you want, or you can just simply click on skip and continue on making your own website. So let's just click on skip, and as we can see, we have two options in front of us. Now we can either let Wix ADI create a website for us, or we can create our own website with the help of its editor. Now if you want a simple and bland looking website, you can just simply let Wix do all the work for you. Or if you want to create a very unique and stunning looking website, you can just simply click on choose a template. Whichever option you choose doesn't really matter, but for the sake of this video, let's just click on choose a template. Now as you can see, we have all these amazing templates right in front of us. Now depending upon which type of site you are creating, we can choose whichever one you want. So let's just click over here at the top right here on the search bar and search for a template that is most suitable for our own needs. So let's just assume that you have a restaurant and you're trying to make a website for it. So all you have to do is search for restaurants over here. Now as you can see, once we search for restaurant, Wix has sorted all these website templates. As you can see, we have all these amazing and stunning looking templates right in front of us, and we have no shortage of options. Wix has hundreds and hundreds of website templates just for us. So whichever one you choose doesn't really matter as long as it is according to your need. So for example, if you have a Mexican cuisine restaurant, you can just simply choose this template over here. If you have a steakhouse, you can just simply choose this template over here. If you have an Italian restaurant, then you can choose this one over here. As I said before, Wix has no shortage of templates, and it is 100% free and it is easy to use. And I would also like to say that, guys, if you have any questions or you don't understand what I'm telling you, just simply type in your questions down in the comment sections and I will be sure to get back to you. Now having said that, let's just choose a template that is most suitable for our needs. So we're trying to make a small restaurant. I think this one will look really nice. So if you like the template, all you have to do is hover your mouse over it. You can either click on view. Once you click on view, you can see the small demo of that website template. But if you want to have a full view demo, then simply click on view full demo. Wait for a couple of seconds to load, and you will have an option to use this template as a starting point and edit this website. So you can edit this website, or you can just simply click on view it. So let's just view the website for now and see if we like it and it is suitable for our need. So cross it and let's just take a look. And as you can see, it is very, very nice. And at the top right here, we can see that we even have a mobile version of it. So let's just view the mobile version of this website. Click on this icon and wait for it to load, and this is how it will look like in the mobile device. As we can see, it is very, very nice, minimalistic, and it is elegant as well. So let's just choose this website. So to edit this website, all you have to do is click on edit this website at the top right here. So click on this button, wait for a couple of seconds so the website can load. It's generating the website template for us and loading the editor. Now guys, as you can see, once the editor has loaded, we will have all these options in front of us. So here, over here on the left side, we have the options of add, menu, pages, theme, manager, background, add apps, media, and start blogging. And over here at the top, we have other options such as tools, search, zoom in, zoom out, redo, undo, and we have the mobile version and the desktop version as well. So how do you edit this website? Simply click anywhere on the website homepage, and if you want to change the images, you can just simply click on this image right here, or strips as Wix calls it. You can either change the strip background and manage the columns of it. You can stretch it out. You can change the layout by clicking on this button right here, and you can add scroll effects if it is available on that image. Now as we can see, scroll effects isn't available, so it is saying that it is hidden. So You can also change the text and the text style, such as this one right here. It is saying it's Lawrence, so let's edit that out and change it to something else. So as we can see, we have themes, we have fonts, we have font size, we have options of making the text bold, italic, underlined, and change its color as well. Now if we click on themes, we will have all these themes in front of us. So we have, as you can see, we have heading 1, 2, 3. Whichever one you choose wisely and choose it to your own preference. You can also edit the theme as well, and then you can also change the size of that text as well. So as you can see, if you drag the column more, you can change the height, the width, and everything as well. And if you click on this option right here, which says get text ideas, you can get text options you can easily personalize. So all you have to do is search for what type of site this is. If it's a restaurant, a fitness, or an online store. So this is a restaurant, just search for restaurant. This is a welcome restaurant, create a text. Let's just create a small text, and as we can see, we have all these different options in front of us. So we have this option, which is a small welcome tab. Now we could use this tab over here if you want. If you don't want, doesn't really matter. Everything depends upon you. That is what is great about Wix. It literally lets the user play around with everything: the background, the images, the text, the headings, everything. So you don't have to worry about being outdated, because as soon as you feel like the website is more bland and needs a new touch or a new finish, you can just simply edit this website for free and you don't have to pay for anything. Now what if you want to add something, or if you want to remove something? So to remove something, just simply zoom out and just select whichever page that you want to delete. All you have to do is hover your mouse over at the section you want to delete, and then just simply click on the trash can icon and it will delete that section. Or if you want to duplicate that section, you can just simply click on this button, and if you want to move it down or move it up, you can choose whichever. So if we want to delete this section, all we have to do is click on delete. And there we go, we've deleted a section. And if you want to bring it back, all you have to do is click on undo and it will be back. But if you don't want, you can just simply click on redo. Now if you want to exit the zoom out mode, all you have to do is click on exit mode at the top right here. So click on exit mode and it will bring you back to the website. Now what if you want to add some new elements to this website? So all you have to do is click on add, and over here, and you will have all these options right in front of you. So you have strips, you have text, you have images, buttons, galleries, decoratives, menus, socials, blogs, stores, events. You have all these different types of categories that you can choose from. So let's just simply click on strip, and over here on the strip we can choose what type of strip that we want. We can add an about us page, we can add our own tiles, we can add some menus, we can add our firms, we can add all these types of options. So let's just say that you want to add a menu, so choose whichever one you want. Let's just choose this one because I think for a menu this will look really nice. So let's just choose this template right here, and let's just change the background so that it matches our theme for restaurants. So click on this image and it will give you the option of managing the columns and changing the column background. So let's just click on change column background. Now we have an option uploading our own images, or we can choose from an image from the hundreds and thousands of images that are available on Wix. So let's just click on image. Now these are all the media images from Wix. So we can even use some images from Shutterstock or Unsplash if you want, but let's just choose some free images from Wix itself. So our category is mostly related to restaurants, as I said before. So let's just search for a amazing restaurant dish. Let's just search for pasta at the top right here. Pastas are always nice, right? Everyone loves pasta. So let's enter. Now as we can see all these images, we can choose whichever image that is going to look nice on our website. Now I think that this image will look really nice. It has all the ingredients and the pasta isn't prepared yet, which means that it is being prepared. Now I think this image will look really nice for our menu because it has all the ingredients and all the text and all the elements, plus it looks really minimalistic as well. The colors would blend in with our website. So let's just select this image and then just simply click on change background. Wait for it, and as we can see the image has been uploaded, and as we can see it looks really nice. So next what you want to do is add your own menu. So let's just click on this text right here, edit that text, and just say that this is our menu. Now we can change this text right here. We can change the headings. So let's just change the fonts and make it more so that it is more relatable to our website. I think this font right here looks very nice. Now we can change the size of our text as well. So yeah, that looks pretty nice. So let's just change the size of our text, and yes, that looks pretty nice. So now that we've added our text, let's just add a few pasta dishes to our menu. And as we can see, that's our dish. We have our dishes over here. Let's just change the text. Let's just change the fonts. Let's just change the size, and that's it. Now we have our own very own menu as well. Let's just pull it down a little bit so that it's more centered. Yeah, let that a little bit more. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks very nice. Now we can also change the background color, and you can just do that by simply change the column background. Click on it. You can change the color of its background as well, and that is basically it. That is how you use Wix tools to edit different images. And so like that's basically it for this video, and I've told you all the things that you needed to know about Wix and how you can create a website. You can add anything that you want. You can choose the images that are already present on this website, change the layout, fonts, everything you need to know, everything you need to change is available on this website. All the options are available here on Wix. So what do you do next? All you have to do is simply, if you want to save the website, you can just simply save the website. And all you have to do is get a Wix free domain or connect your own customized domain to the Wix, and just simply click on save and continue. Or you can just simply click on publish, or before publishing you can preview the website and see how it looks, or if you want to change a few things as well. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And if you have any questions or thoughts related to this video, please let me know down in the comment section below, and I will get back to them as soon as possible. So having said that, guys, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care. Goodbye.